The debt ceiling debate in Washington, D.C. taking its toll on stocks today. Deborah Kostroun has the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yes, stocks closing near the lows as lawmakers still wrestling with those plans to raise the federal debt limit. Then, of course, toss in there some disappointing earnings today, particularly from 3M, who said that their full year will be less than analysts expected, and that was actually the biggest drag in the Dow. Also, UPS saying that their third quarter will be fairly slow, and all that combined made for this lower market today. And traders say that the longer this uncertainty goes on in Washington, the greater risk it will have to affect business and the markets, Pimm.
All right, Deborah, now turn your attention to some, well, startling news, of course. Apple, it finally did it, closed above $400 a share.
Yes, and closing above $400 a share for the very first time and gaining ground on ExxonMobil to become the world's most valuable company. Of course, the iPhones and the iPads having a lot to do with that. Speaking of iPads, how about a solar-powered iPad? MIT is working on some ultra-thin paper cells so they can actually store some energy to run an LCD clock. This is just the first step towards a cheap and lightweight source of energy that within 2 years may be actually used to charge an iPad or even warm up your clothing. Sounds like a great idea to me, Pimm. Back to you.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.